Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val. This is how you do it. And Tasty Sensations. I am doing some pig feet right now. I have some veggies already chopped up, and I'm going to put them in my pan. Put them all in my pan. Get that off of there. Now let me see, can I get you to come a little closer here to see what's going on. And here are my pig feet. Place these in here. I was going to do more, but I think 3 would be enough for a mukbang video. Plus, that's a lot of pork. And I'm going to let this boil for probably 2 hours on a low to medium heat. This is our garlic powder that I'm putting in here with the onions and all that good stuff. Whatever ingredients that you have in your ingredient shelf, just put them in there because you want your meat flavorful. This is just what I happen to have on my shelf. There's no set thing to put on in here. This is what I like and what I have. Season yours to your taste. I'm just going to let this spoil. Forget about it kind of thing. Top on it. Cut it on a low. Make sure it don't spill over. And that's that. And I will be bringing this back to you probably halfway through or when it's finished. Look how it boil down. Now, turn it over for you. Now, when it starts to fall apart like this, it's cooked really, really good. That's 1 foot. There's the other one. And that's how you cook pig feet. And this is Val. This is how you do it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see me eat this, continue to watch me on Tasty Sensations. And thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that like button. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.